If you are approved for the disability tax credit, you may also be eligible for other benefits. This video will cover the new Canada Disability Benefit and the Home Accessibility Grant. Download the video script using the link below. If you have been approved for the disability tax credit, you are automatically eligible for the new Canada Disability Benefit, which you must apply for to receive. The Canada Disability Benefit provides up to $200 per month for those who qualify for financial support based on their household income to people with disabilities between the ages of 18 and 64 years old to help support the cost of living. If the person with the disability is under 18 years old, they may be eligible for the Child Disability Benefit. Check out the 5th video in this series for more information on the Child Disability Benefit. If you already receive the disability tax credit, you may have been mailed a letter from Service Canada with an application code to apply for the Canada Disability Benefit. You can use this to apply online. If you haven't yet received an access code or just received notification that you qualify for the disability tax credit, you can apply for the Canada Disability Benefit online, by printed form, by phone, or by visiting a Service Canada office near you. You can use the link in the script to access the application form. You can use the Canada Disability Benefit Payment Calculator to estimate how much you might receive per month. See the script for a link to the calculator. This video will show the printed application form. The online application will ask the same information as the printed form, but may look slightly different or ask questions in a different order. Before applying, you will need the social insurance number, mailing address, net household income, and direct deposit information of the person applying. Section A of the Canada Disability Benefit application asks for the applicant's social insurance number, their official language for communication, their first and last name, date of birth, full mailing address, and their phone number. It also asks for their net household income, which can be found on line 23,600 of your tax return. Section B asks about the applicant's status in Canada. Select the option that best applies to you. Section C has questions about receiving payments. You must select how you wish to receive payments if you do end up qualifying. This could be by check or direct deposit. If you choose direct deposit and the account you wish to receive payments in is different than the account you have registered with the CRA, be sure to include a void check or fill in the branch, institution, and account numbers on the form. Section D is a declaration. Be sure to thoroughly read the terms and conditions and privacy statement. Afterward, check the box and add the date of completion. If using the online form, you can submit immediately after completing. If using the printed form, you can mail it to Service Canada or drop it off in person. Once submitted, your application will take about 4 to 6 weeks to process. You may contact Service Canada for updates on your application. Click the link in the script for contact information. If you disagree with the determination on your eligibility, you have 180 days to ask for a reconsideration. If you do end up qualifying, your first payment will be on the 3rd Thursday of the month following your approval, and will include back payments if you are eligible. The Home Accessibility Tax Credit is a non-refundable tax credit for qualifying home renovation expenses that enhance the accessibility or safety of your home for people who are approved for the disability tax credit. You may be able to claim this non-refundable tax credit if you own a home in Canada and paid for eligible renovations to improve the safety or accessibility of your home. You can claim up to $20,000 per year in eligible expenses on line 31,285 of your tax return. The Home Accessibility Tax Credit returns 15% of eligible expenses, potentially allowing for a maximum credit of up to $3,000. The renovations must be for the main residence of the person who is eligible for the disability tax credit. Also, the renovations must be permanently part of the home and meet one of the following criteria. 1. Allow the person to gain access to, or be mobile or functional within their home. Or 2. Reduce the risk of harm within the home or in accessing the home. Examples of permanent parts of your home include built-in exterior ramps or accessible bathtubs, items you can buy and move like mobility aids or accessible technology do not qualify for this credit. Renovation expenses do not qualify if they are provided by a person related to you and must be completed by a registered business with a GST and HST number. To calculate this credit, use the federal worksheet for line 31,285, available through the link in the script. For more information, visit the Home Accessibility Expenses section of the CRA website, available through the link in the script. This is the last video in our Disability Tax Credit series. You can check out our other resources on our website at www.fasdNL.ca or email us at contact@fasdnl.ca.